Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix Cash App verification issue. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first reason why not able to verify it might be that the application age is under 18 years. So you need to be above 18 in order to verify your Cash App account. And after that, the documents or the photos that you've submitted is not clear. And for the third reason, it might be your ID number is not clear, and along with that you have submitted an incorrect name or incorrect social security number, or Cash App has detected some suspicious activity on your account. So in order to fix your Cash App verification error, first thing you need to make sure to capture a clear picture of your documents and provide the correct details that is on your documents. And sometimes just by updating your application you might be able to fix it. And if you're still unable to do it, then you can contact the customer service and then notify about the issue. After doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can apply with a new account. You'll need to log out of your account and then create a new one with a new login information or your contact information. That includes entering your phone number and your email address. So those are the methods on how you can fix Cash App verification error on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.